Mingalabachi, respected Honorable Minister of Culture, President of Writer Association of Thailand, respected Honorable personnel and audience. First of all, I'm honored myself seeking the chance of being here again. As regards to this, I was again here at Mekong River Literature Award ceremony as one of the recipients of awards. As for me, Thai and its adorable people and myself are, I believe myself, it seems predestined relatives, determined by one's past deed, so I love you all. I am from Myanmar. My pen name is Lamp Lady Dr. Nightingale, so I am Lamp Lady Dr. Nightingale. Of course, I'm either a medical doctor who cares patients and gives lectures to medical students and medical officers, medical staffs, or a writer who writes short stories, novels, poems, articles, and essays. And also I'm a publisher, scriptwriter, and director for educational movies. In some parts of my time, I work as a philanthropist or Buddhist missionary. I have been ordinated as a nun for 15 times. As you all already know that love is everything. People say love is pure, painful, sweet and dreadful all at once. The truth is, love is a basic necessity in everyone's life. Everyone needs to be loved to live in a proper and healthy life. Love has various definitions. Ask someone and they will give you their own definition of love. Love is a variety of feelings, emotions, and attitude. For some, love is more than just being interested physically in someone. It's an emotional attachment. The basic meaning of love is to feel more than liking towards someone. It is a bond that two people share. So shall we love each other without lust? That's to be married and be blessed. For 2019 anthology of ASEAN short stories, the name I Was Born to Be Yours, I like this name very much. Well, on behalf of Myanmar, I'm selected and thank you so much for this event. My short story, The Old Man, Two Refugees, and The Winter Night, explicated about the blessed pure love. The old man, named Apamo, the old fisherman, who around the Children River, one light hill, one ferry boat capsized, while the passengers were nearly drowned, saved them simultaneously. Characters of drowning passengers and moral and attitude of rescuers are explicated in this story. At last, refers and exemplifies the true and genuine love of Apamo, or fishermen. So we should mutually love each other among one another between countries and globalize. As a result of this, our world will be more pleasant and everything and everyone else would be livable with than I wish. Additionally, let me inform you that the novel named Artificial Virgin, which last 2 years, 2017, won the Mekong River Literature Award, is now making into film. That myself scripted the story, and the film would be launched overseas, including Thailand, when the production is finished, as we are seeking Thai people encouragement. You are requested to watch the film. As I have a chance to participate in this event, chance to visit to Thailand, the beautiful country, and allow me to meet adorable Thai people again. along with President of Thai Writers Association and members who arranged these privileges, are grateful to me with owing much of love. And you all are worth of love to keep in my heart forever. My dearest wish is to meet you all again. Thank you. Khop khun kha.